Mr. 509. So today we got a Typhon 6S and we're gonna take it out on the track today. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but it's pretty windy today. So here's the 6S. Let's take the body off. The batteries go on one side, so you can run one battery or two batteries. So the difference between the 3S and the 6S, the 6S has a metal chassis where the 3S is a composite. The same thing with the shocks. These ones are metal. The 3S, they're composite shocks. The car is a little bit heavier. Also, you get bigger motor, bigger speed control. Okay, so we got the batteries in, and it's pretty cool that they made this little clip for like cable management. Also right here, you slide in the balancers. I gotta say, man, the cover looks pretty sick. I like that little tail. Got little fins. It's pretty sick. Alright, time to warm up a little bit. So far, it's pretty sick, but the track is pretty dry. It's kind of slick, but it's not bad. You want to try it? 1, go!
What are you running on the tracks?
Oh man, dude. Okay, so I switched the camera around. So the front one is good now. And we're gonna go hit that jump over there before I break anything else. For this video, hopefully you guys liked it. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys subscribe down below if you guys haven't subscribed yet. All right, you guys have a good one.